What we're going to go over here is the American Energy System's Magnum ZC. The Magnum ZC is a high efficiency built-in wood fireplace. The fireplace can be built into new construction or it can be built into a remodel situation. Some of the unique features of the Magnum ZC are that you can use 7-inch or 8-inch HT103 2100 degree metal chimney. The other unique feature is that you can actually duct the hot air from the unit to adjacent rooms or to an upstairs area. You have two ducts outlets. You have one on the left and one on the right. Since you're going to build this unit in and you're going to frame it into the home, you're going to have standoffs on the top and you're going to have a 1/2-inch clearance to combustibles on the side. The front of the unit has options of stone retainer kits so that you can actually stone the front of your unit, or you can leave it open with tile, stone, brick, or any kind of facing that you would like on the front of the unit. You do have options on the Magnum ZC of special ordering gold doors or etched glass. Some of the other unique features of the Magnum ZC is you do have fresh air intakes available on left or the right side of the unit. That's going to allow you to bring fresh air, fresh oxygen into the firebox, and that way the home is not affecting your fire. It's very important to have good fresh oxygen coming into your firebox when you're burning to make sure that you've got an efficient burn and a clean burn. This is going to keep your chimneys clean, give you longer burn times, and give you the efficiencies that you're going to need down the road. The firebox is fully lined with fire brick. The bottom, sides, and back of the firebox are going to be lined with a good heavy fire brick. This is going to do a couple of things. It's going to help reflect the heat back in the firebox where you need it, and it's also going to protect the metal in the firebox. One of the unique things about the Magnum ZC is that your primary air and your secondary air are preheated. This is important to keep a good, efficient, clean burn. It's going to help keep your glass clean, keep your firebox clean of creosote, and keep your chimneys clean. One of the things that you want to be able to do is just be able to clean your chimney once a year. And a lot of this is going to depend on the type of wood that you burn. But if you're using well-seasoned wood, this unit's going to be trouble-free throughout the year, and then do your once-a-year chimney cleaning at the end. The firebox also is a higher firebox inside. It's actually domed inside, so that what happens when you open your doors is you may have smoke rolling out of the front of the door if we didn't have that dome in there. One of the important features of the Magnum ZC is your damper control. This is going to help you maximize your burn time and maximize the efficiency of the unit. So this is going to really help you be able to dial in your efficiencies and your burn times. The Magnum ZC has a nice size firebox, so you can use anywhere between 18 and 20-inch wood. This is going to allow you to get the maximum amount of BTUs that you need. On the inside, you're also going to have end irons. That's going to help keep any logs from wanting to roll out onto your carpet or onto the hearth. The unit is also equipped with a blower system. You can either have a single or a dual blower system in this unit. And that's important to get good air circulation around your firebox. The unit's going to be able to pull air through the bottom grill and discharge it through the top grill and or through your hot air ducts. This is going to allow you to heat the maximum amount of square footage in the home. The Magnum ZC is going to allow you to heat anywhere between 1,000 and 2,500 square feet, depending on where it's located in the home. Centrally located or in a basement situation where you can get heat rising up to the upstairs, you're going to be able to maximize the amount of square footage that you can heat. The Magnum ZC is air wash equipped. The unit's going to be able to draw air, hot air, naturally over the inside of your glass to help keep the smoke off of it. The bottom line with the Magnum ZC is that you're going to be able to get a good long life out of your unit. The unit is constructed such that you can use it as a full primary source of heat in the home. With the secondary air, the tri-level burn system, fire brick, and the way the air is coming in from outdoors, you're going to be able to get a good clean burn, be able to dial it in with your damper, and be able to get the burn times and the efficiencies that you're going to want to heat your home.